Does your wife have a work husband?
Oh my God!
Wow. It's probably because you don't trade Forex, bro. Don't let nobody stimulate her mind. You got to get her up out of there. Is she getting more compliments at the gas station than she do at home?
Oh.
That's because you ain't catching these pips, bro. 10,000 in a day is going to keep these broke, unwanted dudes away. You better get your money right, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get it.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Sue me, I'm rooting for everybody that's black. That's everybody from sports to college class to rap. I'm back. It's your boy, man. Let's get it, man. Hey, make sure y'all thumbs this video all the way up because I need them likes, you feel me? The comments ain't on because I got weirdos in the comment section pretending to be me and scamming other people in my name. Who do that, bro? But you know what I'm saying? There's weirdos out there, so I understand. But guess what? I did make $10,000 in a day. This video is pre-recorded from October of last year, and I'm only showing y'all this because when I was gone, I wasn't able to show y'all this, so I pre-recorded it just to show y'all, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I did to do it in an updated strategy today. And yeah, we're gonna get straight into that, but make sure you follow me on Instagram right here. Okay, this is my only Instagram, right? The Instagram I had in my previous video, cash_capital, is gone, it's deleted, and there's a fake page out there scamming people, so don't fall for it. All right, click all the links in the description, and we gonna get straight into this video. Yo, what's up? So man, this is 10K day. This is my first 10K day I ever did, so I had to make sure I document this, y'all. I did some wild trades. This is a real account, but I did do it. I did do it. What's today? October the 1st or the 2nd? October the 1st, and today I did 10K. All right, click on last week. We did a pretty good amount last month. So y'all can see right there, I deposited 12,000. You know, and then I done made 11,000 profit, or really over that now, but the account balance is now at 28,000 on this account. But this is my first 10K day. Did a lot of crazy trades, man. I did take some L's, but as you can see, we still was 10K in profit, so it didn't even matter. But yeah, for the most part, more wins than losses, and it was lit, man. So look at God, let's get it. Yo, what's good, family? So we about to show you how you can start making this money with indices. Of course, US30, NAS 100. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do stuff. Now, if you don't have the Rsi Scanner, I suggest you definitely do it. It'll save you a lot of time on trying to figure out where to enter, where to exit. Now, this scanner right here, like I said, you can always go in here and edit. So if I go in here and I want to edit something, I would just come in here. I can control whatever pairs I want in here. So it's usually a bunch of pairs in here. You can delete all of them and just put the only 2 or 3 pairs that you trade, and then it should show up here. So basically what this is gonna do is anytime the RSI hits the 75 or the 25, it's gonna send me an alert. If it like this one, just let me know on the monthly that it's overbought, and then we should be looking to sell. So anytime it's blinking red, it's telling you it's looking to sell. Anytime it's blinking green, it's telling you it's looking to buy. So normally when these numbers hit 25 or 75, they start going off. You see 75, it start going off. Perfect example, when the market hits 75 right here on US30 on the daily, it's set to sell. Now if you would have sold right here and held it, of course you got to have a pretty nice size account to even do that, but that's I don't even know how many pips that is because that's a lot of numbers. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say 200,000 pips. 200,000 pips, you feel me? But that's essentially how this works. Now there are things that happen that to where sometimes this is not the case. It doesn't drop immediately at 75, but I do go over that in my course, so you have to get my course to go over the full explanation of that. But I will explain to you, because on the video that you guys saw, 10,000 in a day, I was using the NBA strategy and the one candlestick. So I'm going to explain a little bit of both. First, we're going to start with the NBA strategy since I haven't pulled up. Have your alerts. The RSI, you can, it already comes pre with your MT4, so you can just always drag the RSI on. I'll show you the settings that I do have on it, right? Hit edit. Okay, once you hit the RSI settings, just go to levels, and then you can always adjust these levels. So mine is 75, 25, 84, 16. You can always adjust yours to how you want, but standard, this is pretty good. Sometimes it does go past 84. Sometimes it does go below 16, but that's usually on, like, you know, certain days of the week. And you can edit the description, the sell, potential sell right here, or sell, buy, highest sell, highest buy. And that's how you would do that, okay? So rule of thumb, whenever the blue line touches 75, we're looking to sell. Whenever it touches a 25, we're looking to buy. But like I said, they may not always be the case depending on certain situations. So if you want to figure that out, you will need to get the course to figure all that part out. Because I explained it before, but I just don't want to explain it again, you know what I'm saying? So that's essentially how the RSI works. So normally I would just throw the scanner on there, so that way I don't have to be by my computer, and it just sends me alerts either on the computer or to my phone. And then from there, I will look at the market to see if this is a trade I want to take or not, right? So as you can see, the market bounced here, 75, drop, bounced here, 75, dropped a little bit. So normally it usually respects those levels, and that's pretty much the NBA RSI, right? That's just what it is. I just added the scanner to it to make it easier so people don't have to stare at their screen all day. And stuff like that. So the one candlestick strategy, y'all. So the one candlestick strategy is a strategy that I had came up with last year, that I made a lot of money off of it, and then I shared it to the world. Some people laughed at it when they first saw it, and then when some people finally caught on to it, they were able to quit their jobs, change their families' lives, because it was just unorthodox. It was something people usually wasn't used to seeing in the Forex market. It sounds crazy, and it may still be crazy to some people. Some people still call it gambling, but like I said, it's organized gambling, if you want to say that, to say the least. I still use it, and as you can see, it did help me on US30, and I was able to use bigger lot sizes because of that. But essentially the one candlestick is basically on the daily time frame. So you would come to the daily time frame, right? Let me remove this right quick so it don't start going off and beeping on me. All right, so essentially on the one candlestick, guys, you would come here to the daily time frame. So we call it the one candlestick because you're only trading off this one candle. The reason why you're trading off this one candle, because it doesn't switch to the next candle until a day later. All right, so essentially what I would do now, on indices is different because they have more numbers, but on regular Forex pairs, you will usually look at the big numbers. But for this one, since these numbers move pretty fast, they can change pretty fast. Normally I will look at these last two numbers. So you see where it says 05, 06, it's at 06 now, 05. I will usually look at those two numbers. If the numbers are going up, then I know the market is going up. If the numbers are coming down, then I know the market is coming down. So basically I wait until the number hits a certain number twice, and then I hop in. So to give you an example, it's at 06, right? If it goes down to if it goes up to 07, back down to like 04, right? So I could sell at 07, it goes back down to 06, I'm in profit like it is now. I would already been in profit. 05, I'm even in bigger profit, and if it goes back down to 04, that's even bigger profit. So same way applies with this. You see where it says 06, if it says 04, I'm looking to buy. It hits 07 or 06, I'm in profit. That's just essentially how it is. If that confuses you, then I give you examples inside my course. All right, I do give a lot of examples multiple ways. So now it's at 03, so I will be looking to buy. You see, it just switched to 04. Okay, I will be looking to buy 02, 01. So now we're losing, right? If it goes back up to 04, 05, 06, then we're up. And the reason how I know how to stay in the trade or when to get in on what opposite end to get in is because of the trend. So I explain a little bit more of that as well inside my course. And the only reason why I'm not explaining it in full is because I've already done that on multiple videos. So I low-key feel like I get tired of hearing it. So I just explain little bits and pieces. And for those of you who don't know, y'all can get the rest of it inside like the course with full explanations and stuff like that. But that's essentially how it works. And the reason why this is so powerful is because you can use it like a hourly strategy, right? So if your job is only paying you $15 an hour or $20 an hour, you can come in here on the one candlestick, you know, especially on indices. Now, indices is dangerous, so I would say if you don't know what you're doing, please practice in a demo 100 times over. You could do it on Forex pairs. I would say start with regular Forex pairs first. Don't just jump into indices because this is not a game to play in. You will lose a lot of money if, you know, you saw some of the L's I took, you know, 1,100, 1,300, stuff like that. But I was able to do that because I knew what I was doing. But if you don't know what you're doing and that's all the money you got, don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Go way smaller. I was able to go bigger on my lot size just because I told y'all I like to go big on my lots. I'm risky like that. But if you are somebody who can't afford to do that, don't do it. Definitely do smaller lots. And yeah, so that's just what it is, y'all. So the market now is back at 02, right? It dropped down to the 99, went to 02, 03. But now it's at 06. Y'all see it? So I would have been up big profit right now off one candle. I would have held that. It would have went back up. But I hold that based on the trend. All right. The trend is where's the trend going, y'all? Can y'all see? I'm sure y'all can see it. So that's how I know which way to start doing my thing. The trend is going this way, up. So that's the way that I'm looking for. You know, I might be looking for more buys than sells. You know, and in certain cases you might be looking for more sells than buys, but that really just depends. There's a lot of other things that can factor into that. But like I said, if you want all the information, you know what to do. The link's below. You know what to do. All right. So that's essentially what I was doing. So as far as recap on the NBA strategy, right? The RSI, I'm waiting for it to hit 75 to sell, and I'm waiting for it to hit 25 to buy. If it goes below 25, I'm looking for it to hit 16 to buy, or right in the middle. These are just like zones, right? Now there are factors, like I said, there are factors that would deter that from happening, but you gotta, you know, get the stuff to get the secret sauce to figure that part out. But for the most part, that's just what it is on the indices. So like this one would have been a perfect example of the NBA. Okay, bounced right off the 25 and shot straight up. And this is on the daily though. The daily is insane. Now on the NBA, I would definitely do it like M5, M15. The daily is just gonna take a long time, of course, to get to this. And this is like 1,000,000 pips or points. 1 million, nah. But yeah, you'll catch some really good pips on this, right? So I mean, it respects. Like a lot of people, man, if you want to see my results of the people winning with these strategies, man, just go to my Instagram, click the link in the description below. Go to my Instagram and click on the results tab, and you will just see tons of people that's winning with all this stuff that I talk about. People always ask me like, how many new strategies do you got? I'm like, bro, I don't really have a lot of new stuff because the old stuff still works. So I don't really need to keep, you know, doing a bunch of different tactics when what I do works already. So, you know, that's just what it is. But guys, this is essentially how you can trade indices in and out. The one candlestick is powerful if you learn it. Like I said, you could trade it by the hour and you'll be able to quit your job. Just like how you sit at your job and make $10 an hour, $11 an hour, $12 an hour, you can sit at this computer and do the same thing with the one candlestick. And it's in and out. It's so in and out that, like, I'm talking about these, especially on indices, the numbers is turning. So like I said, if you only make $10 an hour or $20 an hour at your job, I mean, with indices, I mean, you could be up in a matter of minutes, $20, $30, and you just get out, wait till the next hour, come back, do it again. By the end of the period, or just trade 5 or 6 hours or 3 or 4 hours, right? By the end of that period, you probably doubled your paycheck at home. You know what I'm saying? But it takes a lot of patience, you know, to learn this stuff. So I definitely say practice it in the demo 100%. And it is something else I want to show y'all real quick that could potentially help y'all with all kind of stuff. So let's get into that right quick. Yo, so this is some secret sauce right here I wanted to bless y'all with. This is a Forex copier. They do have a free download right here. You can download it. If you want to add more accounts, then you will need to buy the full version, but for most people, you probably won't need to. So basically, this copier, y'all, can be used for many different ways and many different things. This copier is pretty much where you can hook a demo account to a live account, right? If you trade in the demo, it'll place trades on the live. And the reason why this could be important is because a lot of people say they be killing in the demo, right? If you're somebody who's always killing in the demo and you get in the live and you don't make a lot of good money, that's because your emotions is all over the place. So one tactic you can use is to hook your demo account to your live. You see how this is. And let me kind of give you an example because I'm gonna have mine pulled up. So let's say this was a demo account and this was a live account. You would place trades on your demo and it will automatically copy them to your live. So whenever you're cool, calm, and collective, then you will be able to, you know, trade demo and you'll still be making money on your live account without you even visually seeing it, right? Got you. Another way this can be used is if you have two live accounts, two separate live accounts like I do. I have multiple live accounts, but you can have, like I said, a Hugo's Way here, a KOT here, a Trader's Way here, or Oanda here, and they will all coincide with each other, right? Just kind of how it's shown on this picture. Let me see if I can go back to it. How it's going, like you can have all these different accounts. So basically what happens is if you have two accounts, let's say you have a live here and a live here, and you want to grow them both together, and you want to copy and paste the same trades. So let's say one account you're growing, you've been killing on it, and you want to copy those same results to the next one, you can do that, right? So all you have to do is link the accounts together. Whenever it places a trade on one account, it automatically places it on another account, so you can grow both accounts simultaneously with the same trades, right? So if I place trades on my Trader's Way, it automatically appears in my KOT, and once I take the trade, once I exit out the trade on profit here, it automatically exit out the profit here without me having to go over there and look at it, right? So that's why this is powerful. Another way this is powerful is if you want to manage somebody's accounts. I don't do that personally because I don't like messing with people's money, but if you're somebody out there who likes to manage other people's accounts, this could be good for you too. You can link family members' accounts here. They won't even have to trade. If you're the trader in the house and you know how to trade, you will be able to link, let's say, your wife's account or your homeboy's account, your cousin, anybody, and when you place your trades, it automatically grows on their account. Now, same vice versa. If you lose, then they're gonna lose on that account too. So, you know, hey. But this is something that I use as well when I'm, you know, growing accounts at the same time. That way, if like I place trades and I'm winning over here and I'm like, dang, I could have placed those same trades over here and doubled my money. That's something you can do. So definitely check this out. I'm not affiliated with these guys at all. I just know it's something I use and I wanted to bless y'all with some game, some sauce. And yeah, man, use it and let me know how it's going for y'all. But other than that, y'all, that's how I made $10,000 in a day last year. Now that video is over, this video is over, I'll keep y'all updated now because now I'm moving y'all forward to the updated stuff. All right, so other than that, man, if y'all got any questions, hit your boy up on Instagram. Make sure you click the link below. Do not follow any scammers at all. All right, don't follow no scammers. There's so many out there pretending to be me, so just click the link in the description so you can avoid all of that. But other than that, guys, it's your boy Jeremy Cash, and we out of here. Peace.